welcome back to the Punch video time, and in this video I am going to be showing you how you can make a QR code scanner in Python. So let's get started. Okay, so first we are going to need to import CV2. CV2 is the library, and then the next thing we need is import web browser. There we go. So web browser will access our browser, and CV2 will access our camera. So cap is equal to CV2 dot video capture. So wait a second. Okay, cap is equal to CV2 dot video capture, and put 0 inside. Then after that we are going to be needing a detector. So detector is equal to CV2 dot q dot QR QR code detector. So this is our camera, and this is our detector for the QR codes. Then the next thing I'm going to be putting in a while true, and underscore, and image is equal to cap dot read. And remember, cap is our video that we're using, and these two is going to be reading it. Now another thing, data and 1 and underscore is equal to detector dot detect and decode. Put in image. So this is going to detect, it's going to decode image, which is the reading of what is being shown by our camera. So it is like a three-way process. And I'm going to be putting if data. So if data is true, then what I'm going to be putting is equal to data. So what this is like, if there is a QR code, so if there's a QR code on the screen, I'm not going to be naming data or QR code, but now the variable name is A. Then I'm going to break inside the if loop of ours. So let's get out of the if loop, or if, and I'm going to be doing CV2 dot show. So this will be for our caption, obviously. Dot show QR code scanner. So QR code scanner, and then image. So this is our title caption, and this is our image that we are decoding. Then if CV2 dot wait key is 1, so wait key 1 is equal to ORD Q. So if you're pressing up Q, then after that this will break out of the loop. That means it will break out of the while true. Okay. Then after that, B would be equal to web browser dot open, and the string, because A could be anything, so we are going to make the QR code into the URL. We are going to decode it. So we are going to decode the URL, the QR code into the URL that we're trying to show. And then after that, cap dot release A, and then CV2 dot destroy all, so all windows. So this should be caps. Okay. So now before I do a face reveal and show you that it works, let's see. So we are importing CV2, CV2 meaning our camera, access to our camera and importing web browser. Then we are capturing a video from the camera. Then after that we have a QR code detector. Then this image will be reading our video capture, so it's going to be reading it. And then data and one is going to be detecting and decoding image. So what it means by that is that we have the QR code detector here. So it's gonna detect an image is actually reading our cap. So what's gonna happen is that it's going to see for image and see if it can detect a QR code. Then it's going to decode it. So if there is a QR code, where A is equal to data, and then obviously QR code scan is our name, and then after that B is equal to web browser dot open our A. A is our URL, and then after that cap dot release A, and then cv2 dot destroy all windows. So if I run this, so let me just run this thing. Let's just wait for a second. Okay, so you can see this over here. Let me show the QR code. So just wait a second. Yep, there we go. Okay, so it just cut off. Let me just do it one more time. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to show up the QR code, and then you can see that it will be redirected to youtube.com, and the QR code is of youtube.com. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, the Punch video time is out. Bye.